Hello everyone, I am Daisy Gabriel Dizon, BPED 2A. Before we are going to start, let me first give you our learning objectives. At the end of the unit, I am able to describe the scope of aerobic and cardiovascular, demonstrate a positive attitude in performing its aerobics and cardiovascular routine towards self-improvement, and come up an actual routine that gives an enriching skills that emphasis on aerobic and cardiovascular. Picture yourself working out. Are you lifting weights? Stretching your muscles, or maybe you are performing an activity that causes you to sweat and breathe hard, that makes your blood pump through your veins and it carries oxygen to your muscles to keep you going. If yes, then you are engaging aerobic exercise. What is aerobics? It's the promotion of the supply of oxygen-rich blood from the heart to the muscle. The more efficiently the body can use it, leading to cardiovascular or cardiorespiratory fitness. Aerobics means working with oxygen, while cardio refers to the heart, vascular to the blood vessels, and respiratory to the lungs. Aerobics is any physical activity that makes you sweat, causes you to breathe harder, and gets your heart beating faster than at rest. It strengthens your heart and lungs and also trains your cardiovascular system to manage and deliver oxygen more quickly and efficiently throughout your body. Okay, let us break down some key terms we just mentioned. First, the cardiovascular system. It is made up of your heart and blood vessels. Arteries, veins, and capillaries are responsible to transport blood throughout the body. Next, aerobic. It refers to how your body uses oxygen to sufficiently meet energy demands during exercise. Next is aerobic conditioning. Physical activities like just walking, jogging, indoor cycling, and aerobic dancing are all examples of aerobic exercise that strengthen the heart and lungs. Employed at 60 to 80% of maximum heart rate capacity for 15 or more minutes per day, several times a week, will strengthen the cardiovascular system significantly and make us healthier and better. Getting started. The first step before you begin a cardiovascular regimen is to see your doctor for a physical checkup so he or she can rule out any possible medical problem that might result from beginning or stepping up your exercise program. Virtually, everyone will see his health performance improve with an aerobic program, but a small minority could be predisposed to heart problems with the onset of an increased workload. Once you've been medically cleared to initiate an exercise program, another series of tests is recommended to give you a better idea of your potential limitations.
Good day guys, I'm Joseph Tiburcio, and for today's topic, I will share to you the benefits of aerobic exercise. Number 1, improve your circulation and help your body use oxygen better. Number 1 of the need in our body is the oxygen. By performing aerobic exercise, we can use oxygen better. And next, we have increased energy. By doing aerobic exercise, we can perform or we can increase our energy to perform the aerobic exercise. And next, we have the endurance. And this in these benefits, the body can perform even we are tired. We can perform or we can do something or to do more in aerobic exercise. Number 4, we have help to reduce the risk of developing heart disease. Like the number 1, the a body can circulate, or the blood can circulate and the oxygen can be used better, and we are reducing the developing of heart disease. Number 5 is help reduce the risk of developing diabetes. Diabetes is one of the disease that we can, as we are getting older, by eating sweet food, we can develop diabetes. But in benefits of aerobic exercise, it can reduce the developing of diabetes. Next, we have the reduced body fat. When we are doing aerobic exercise, we can be the body can release water or sweat, so we can the fat can be reduced to our body, so that can be one of the good aerobic exercise benefits to burn the fat in our body. Next, we have the maintain the healthy weight. So number 7 is the importance to maintain the healthy weight. So like the number 6, the body can reduce the fat, so our weight can be healthy, the way that we can perform the aerobic exercise, so we can benefits to this. And number 8, help reduce stress, tension, anxiety, and depression. So by doing aerobic exercise, we are reduce the stress. When we are doing aerobic exercise, we are really to do the different dance steps. So as student, so by you doing aerobic exercise, we are reducing the anxiety and depression to our mind, so we can perform and we can have the beautiful life and healthy mind by doing aerobic exercise. Next, we have improve sleep. So after doing aerobic exercise, the body needs to recharge or to get another energy, and by improving sleep, so the body can get a long time to get sleep, so the body can increase the energy to another to perform more different kind of aerobic exercise for the next time.
Good day everyone, here is the continuation of our topic. By the way, my name is Michael Lambating from BPED 2A. Heart rate, it is the number of heartbeat per minute or other unit of time. By improving your entire cardiovascular system with aerobic training, you can make your heart a more efficient machine. A normal resting heart rate for adults ranges from 60 to 100 beats per minute. Generally, a lower heart rate at rest implies more efficient heart function and other cardiovascular fitness. For example, a well-trained athlete might have a normal resting heart rate closer to 40 beats per minute. The heart is one of the most vital muscles in your body. There are a variety of reasons why this is the case, but it is a still important part of your body to maintain and care for. What is a heart rate monitor? The heart rate monitor is an essential piece of equipment. It assists in providing crucial data for determining the cardiovascular process performance or lack thereof. Have the capability of measuring, displaying, or recording the heart rate of a person. Although consumer heart rate monitors are more commonly used during physical activity, HRM sensors can be active at any time of day, converting heart signals into data or for health and exercise reports, and in certain circumstances, sending out alerts for high heart rates. Heart rate monitors provide you immediate feedback on how hard you're working out, allowing you to make adjustment to get the most out of your workout. The best heart rate monitor is a useful training tool for learning more about your fitness, training more effectively, and tracking your progress. There are two types of heart rate monitor: electrode chest belt and photocell. First is electrode chest belt. Utilizes two electrodes mounted on a sealed electrode transmitter attached to the chest with an elastic belt. These electrodes pick up electrical impulses from the heart and relay the information via an electromagnetic field to a wrist monitor. An electrode belt of a heart rate monitor. The electrode belt comprising one or more electrodes for measuring the heart rate on the chest. An electronics unit for handling the information to be received from the electrode. A conductor for providing electrical contact between the electronic units and the electrode. At least one wave-like supporting structure provided with alternating upwards and downwards directing section and intended for protecting the conductor. Next is photocell monitor. Utilizes a photocell sensor and a light source placed on the earlobe or finger to measure heart rate. A photocell is a type of resistor that changes resistance in response to the quantity of the light it receives. A photocell works on the principle of semiconductor photoconductivity, in which the energy of photons striking the semiconductor causes electrons to flow freely, lowering resistance.
For the continuation of this report, first I want you to greet a pleasant day to everyone. I am Cherry Ann L. Pagtakunan from BPED 2A. So for today's video, I'm going to discuss what is warm-up. So let's begin. What is warm-up? Warm-up is literally to warm your body, including both your general body temperature and deep muscle tissue temperature. So this will be prepare your body for the somewhat more strenuous activity to come. So we all know that warm-up is very important, especially when we are performing, such as in physical activities like exercising, dancing, and in sports. So a warm-up will increase your metabolism, oxygen uptake, blood flow, nerve impulses, motor units of muscle fiber, adrenaline, and the blood sugar. So warming up is a part of stretching and preparation for physical exertion or a performance by exercising or practicing gently beforehand, usually undertaken before a performance or practice. So in athletes, singers, actors, and other warm-up before stressing their muscles. It is widely believed to prepare the muscles of vigorous actions and to prevent muscle cramps and injury due to overexertion. So a warm-up generally consists of a gradual increase in intensity in physical activity. So, for example, before we running or playing an incentive sports, athletes might slowly jog to warm their muscles and increase their heart rate. It is important that warm-ups be specific to the activity so that the muscles to be used are activated. The risks and benefits of combining stretching with warming up are disputable, although it is generally believed that warming up prepares the athlete both mentally and physically. So I have here 5 reasons why warm-up exercises are important. So number 1 is they help to increase your body and muscle temperature. A good warm-up will raise your body temperature, which is particularly helpful to your muscles. As your muscle temperature increases, oxygens become more available to your muscles, allowing them to contract and relax more easily. So you will be able to perform more strenuous tasks with ease. Your heart is also given a chance to prepare, meaning it won't be too strained during your workout. Number 2, you will reduce your risk of injury. The last thing you need when you've been faithfully attending the gym and reaching your goals is to become injured. Warming up will improve muscles elasticity and allow for efficient cooling, meaning less chance of accidentally hurting yourself or overheating during your workout and running your day. In number 3, they can help you to mentally prepared. Jumping straight into a workout without being adequately prepared can throw you off completely. Especially if the preparation is mental rather than physical, it is easy to give up when working outs gets difficult. But you will be much less likely to do so if you given yourself time to remember why you're working out. Use your time warming up to think about what you're about to do, guaranteeing that both your body and mind will be ready to succeed. In number 4, you will increase your flexibility, which will help other exercise. So, stretching is often considered something that should be done in addition to regular warm-ups. So, stretching will increase blood flow to your muscles and allowing your body to increase its flexibility in both the short and long term. Always a plus when it comes to properly performing a workout. Stretch after you already completed your warm-up. Stretching when your muscles aren't properly warm up can lead to injury. So, in number 5, you will be ready to tackle the heavy-duty machines at the gym. Using machines to help build muscle is a great way to spend your time at the gym. But they shouldn't be used before you had a chance to loosen your joints. Warming up will ensure that both your body and mind are in the right state to handle gym equipment. Again, reducing your risk of injury. And now, let us moving on for the benefits of this warm-up. First is preventing injury. It has been suggested that is specifically warm-ups aim at increasing body temperature rather than targeting stretching, which can prevent injury. Warming up before an eccentric exercise has been shown to reduce the severity of delayed onset muscle soreness. And the second one is increasing performance, to increase our body temperature that is specifically in our muscle. Improves explosive skeletal muscle performance. Example is the jumping and sprinting. So this is all for today. Good day.